I'm Jed from GDK Veneering. Today we've added a Jaguar Mk2 stroke Daimler. They're both pretty much the same except for that piece. So it's coming to us. All the dashboard is like how it normally is, and we have to do this anyway. We have to actually take these apart and re-glue all the pieces. Like this is coming off as well. You see it's all, there it is, it's come off. You see all the glue in there, it's just turned to dust, and basically we need to break that to pieces, just like that. All this glue here, we would clean all out and then rebond it back to where it goes, just like that. And that's before we start stripping the veneer off, because we use the old veneer as a guide, so you can see how it's all jagged. It's all jagged on there, so when we offer it back up, we can make sure that it fits exactly back into the same place where it come from. So that's what we're going to do with all the joints on that, all the joints on that. On the back here, you've got like the little pin that sticks in there that activates the glove box light. So that needs to come out. All that then can be stripped. On the top rolls of these, you can see it's just literally coming off in big chunks like that. That's an easy one. They all don't normally come off like that, by the way. I'm making it look easy, to be honest. Somebody's had a go at this in the past, sprayed a lacquer on it, a cheap like car lacquer, 2-pack lacquer, and that's the result of that lacquer going hazy like that. On this particular one, all this back edge, we take all this off, we remake all this back edge because it's just completely rotten. So we completely make a brand new set of them, fasten it all on, and then it gets veneered in a burr walnut veneer, and then we would use a straight grain veneer for the cross banding, and we would then lacquer it, polish it, get it up back to a professional, perfect finish. All the other pieces, these go down at the side of the dashboard like that. So the dashboard sits there, this tucks behind that. These are very common, go there because of the damp. On this one, there's got to be some repairs to that, because you can see there's a lot of it missing from that end. It's round there. And also at this end, I call them the shark tails because that reminds me of a shark. You can see that this is all broken away, so we're going to have to rebuild that back up so it's going to look exactly like that one. That's just a couple of the repairs. Obviously all the trim that goes on the back of the door cap-ins, we just clean all them up and put them back on. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Jed from GDK Veneering, like I just said. Please click like, share, tell your friends and subscribe on YouTube. Bye bye.